Yes, my dear students, now I want to solve problems of exercise 5.3 NCERT. Now I want to solve problem number 11, and this is considered as problem number 1 of NCERT. What is given in this problem? Try to understand. Cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and the value of x lies between 0 to 1. It can be written as cos inverse 1 by x minus x by 1 by x plus x. It can be written as cos inverse x minus x by x inverse plus x. The question is, how will you solve the problem involving trigonometrical ratios? In my opinion, first you do some simplification, and it will be cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. अब इस जंक्चर पर जैसा कि मेरा ओपिनियन है, कैसे आगे बढ़ोगे, हाउ विल यू प्रोसीड, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट विल बी योर स्ट्रेटजी by which you can solve this problem, by applying which you can solve this problem. मेरे ख्याल से इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल का सारा सवाल एक ही सूत्र से, एक ही अस्त्र से सॉल्व किया जा सकता है. तो वो अस्त्र क्या है? कॉस इनवर्स 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. एक्स का मान ऐसा पुट करो जिससे कि कॉस इनवर्स का एंगल जो एक्सप्रेशन में दिया हुआ है वो कॉस के टर्म में आ जाए. फिर से इसको सुनो. इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन का सवाल कैसे बनाओगे? हाउ विल यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन? मेरे विचार से, मेरे ख्याल से, जो भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन में एंगल में यदि एक्सप्रेशन हो तो क्या करोगे? उसमें वेरिएबल का वैसा मान भरोगे जिससे वह जिसका इन्वर्स है वही ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन आ जाए. यानी कॉस इन्वर्स है तो इस एक्सप्रेशन में एक्स का हम ऐसा मान पुट करेंगे कि एक कॉस आ जाए. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, वन फार्मूला इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, एंड these formulas are also very very important in calculus. If you change the cos in term of tan, how will you write cos to theta in term of tan theta? How will you write sin to theta in term of tan theta? How will you write tan theta in term of tan theta? These three formulas are very very important. So here you put x is equal to tan theta. Then what will be the result? Y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And this is equal to y is equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. And this is equal to y is equal to 2 theta. And y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x, where x is equal to tan theta and theta is equal to tan inverse x. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यहाँ तक सारा स्टेप कॉमन है जिसको कि आपने इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन में पढ़ा है. इसलिए कम मेहनत करके अच्छे से अच्छे नंबर कैसे लाओगे उसकी योजना होनी चाहिए. तो कुछ चीज़ कॉमन है, इसको हम इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन में यहाँ तक बना लेते हैं. अब केवल डेरिवेटिव्स ऑफ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन में हम क्या करते हैं? डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, वी हैव dy by dx ट्वाइस dy dx of tan inverse x. Just we have determined the derivatives of tan inverse x. It will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So answer of this question will be dy by dx of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to how much? 2 by 1 plus x square. My dear student, in this way you can solve this problem. And this problem is very very important for the purpose of the examination. I have discussed a problem which is based on this problem and which was asked in the CBSE board examination 2015. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ठीक इसी तरह का सवाल थोड़ा उलट पुलट करके 2015 में पूछा गया. ये NCERT बुक में नहीं है लेकिन उसी सवाल पर आधारित है. y is equal to cos inverse x minus x inverse by x plus x inverse. and it will be cos inverse x minus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, and it will be cos inverse x square minus 1 x square plus 1. What do you observe? By taking common minus, we have cos inverse minus 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यहाँ से आके हम इस सवाल को कैसे बढ़ाएं? अंदर के एक्सप्रेशन में हम क्या वेरिएबल सब्स्टिट्यूट करें x का मान जिससे एक cos आ जाए? I just proved that by considering, by substituting x is equal to tan theta, we have cos inverse minus 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And it is a very important formula. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. It is very, very important. Cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This formula is very, very important. Without knowing this formula, you can't solve this problem. So, my dear student, we here by putting x is equal to tan theta, we have 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, and its value is equal to cos 2 theta. So, this will be pi minus cos inverse cos 2 theta. And you can also write it in this way: cos inverse cos pi minus 2 theta. And this is equal to pi minus 2 theta directly. It depends upon your choice. My dear students, here we can write this step, or we can solve this problem in this way. Now pi minus 2 theta, pi minus 2 tan inverse x, because it is given x is equal to tan theta, so theta is equal to tan inverse x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of pi minus twice d by dx of tan inverse x, and it will be minus 2 by 1 plus x square. And finally the result is dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus x square. So my dear students, you must keep in your mind, here cos inverse comes with negative sign after simplification the expression, and now it is on the formula cos inverse minus theta is equal to pi minus cos inverse theta. In this way you will solve. Now we want to solve another problem. This is problem number 12 of NCERT book, and this is also problem number 3 of this study material. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, where x lies between 0 and 1. So my dear student, question is how will you solve this problem? मैंने आपको महत्वपूर्ण, मेरे हिसाब से ये महत्वपूर्ण बात है कि x का मान हम ऐसा सब्स्टिट्यूट करें जिससे कि ये एक्सप्रेशन साइन के रूप में आ जाए. तो x is equal to tan theta. There is a very, very important formula. We have sin 2 theta is equal to how much? Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Or here we consider x is equal to tan theta. So here no need of this formula, no need. We will apply this formula, x is equal to tan theta. So putting x is equal to tan theta, we have just solved this problem, sin inverse cos 2 theta, and now we change cos 2 theta by writing it sin pi by 2 minus 2 theta, and it will be pi by 2 minus 2 theta, and it will be pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x, and after differentiating with respect to x, we have dy by dx, d by dx of pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x, and it will be d by dx of pi by 2 minus twice d by dx of tan inverse x, and it will be 0 minus 2 by 1 plus x square. In this way we can solve this problem. My dear students, I hope you have understood me, you have followed me. So you must do this problem in this way, so that you would be able to solve the problems of different book also. Thank you very much.